To download or update the TestNav app, start by going to the Microsoft Store. Once you have the Microsoft Store open, you're going to find the section at the top that says Foxborough Public Schools. You may need to maximize Microsoft Store in order to see this tab. Once you're in Foxborough Public Schools, find the Pearson TestNav app and click on it. Even if the TestNav app is already installed, it will need to be updated. If TestNav has not already been installed on the computer, you will see a blue Install button. Go ahead and click it. Here you'll see that I already have it downloaded, but it needs to be updated. So I'm going to close out of TestNav, and I'm going to find the downward arrow with the number next to it in the upper right hand corner. Clicking on this number will bring me to the Downloads and Updates page, as you can see here. If I scroll down, you'll see the TestNav application. To update the application, you'll need to click on the blue Get Updates button and allow the computer to gather all of the updates available. After this is finished, and it may take a few minutes, you will click the Update All text just below that button to update all of your applications. With the update process, it's very important that you be patient and allow the computer to do its thing. It may take anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes to do this. Here I've sped up the video to show what it looks like as the available updates come in, and as you can see, it will start to update the applications, and you'll see a progress bar as they begin downloading. Here you'll see TestNav is the first one at the top of my list, and it's going to begin downloading momentarily. Here you can see the TestNav app has started downloading. I've sped up the video to show what it looks like when it begins downloading, and now that it's finished, you'll get a little notification that it's finished downloading. Now that we've downloaded TestNav, I'm going to go to the Start menu and search for TestNav to open it up. The last step in this process is to do an app check to make sure that TestNav is working correctly with all of our systems. Once the application opens, find the person silhouette in the upper right hand corner and click on App Check. Once you're there, you're going to put in the configuration identifier, which is given to you by your teacher. I am inputting the one for the Ahern Middle School. Once you've put it in, you're going to click Run App Check. If everything goes well, you'll see 4 green check marks. Before closing out TestNav, right-click on the application in your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar so you can get to it quickly next time.